How many videos about making money have you watched this week? 5? 10? Maybe 20? Now let me ask you a harder question. How much money did you actually make from all that learning? If the answer is 0, you're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the same invisible trap, learning more but earning nothing. And the truth might surprise you. The problem isn't that you don't know enough. The problem is that you keep learning instead of starting. In this video, you'll understand why endless learning quietly keeps people broke, why most people never achieve financial freedom, and how you can break out of this cycle. Why most people never achieve financial freedom. Most people think financial freedom comes from working harder, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is how people spend their time and attention. Every day, people wake up, go to work, scroll through social media, watch videos about success, and promise themselves that one day they will start something. But that day rarely comes, because the world today is built to keep you consuming, not creating. You are encouraged to watch more videos, buy more courses, read more books, and follow more experts. But here's something many people don't realize. Financial freedom rarely comes from learning more. It comes from doing more. Look at people who actually succeed. Think about Elon Musk. Before Tesla and SpaceX became global companies, many experts said his ideas would fail. Rockets exploded, money was almost gone, but he kept building, testing, and improving. Look at Jeff Bezos. When he started Amazon, it was just a small online bookstore running from a garage. There was no guarantee it would work, but he started anyway and improved over time. Or Sarah Blakely. She had no background in fashion, no investors, and no formal business training. She simply had an idea and took action. That decision turned her into one of the most successful self-made entrepreneurs. Even Mark Zuckerberg started by building something small in a college dorm room. It wasn't perfect, but it existed. And that is the difference. Successful people don't wait for perfect knowledge. They start, they build, they fail, then they improve. The trap of endless learning. Learning feels productive. That is why it can be dangerous. When you watch a motivational video or buy a course, your brain gives you a small reward. It feels like progress. But nothing in your life has actually changed. No money has been made, no skill has been tested, no experience has been gained. You're simply collecting information. And information without action has no real value. Think about it this way. Imagine someone who reads 50 books about swimming. They understand breathing techniques, they know how professional swimmers train, but they've never entered the water. Are they a swimmer? Of course not. Yet many people approach money and success in exactly this way. They study business, they watch marketing tutorials, they learn about investing, but they never actually start anything. They wait until they feel ready. But here's the truth most people eventually discover. You never feel ready. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes because of action. Reclaim your attention. Your attention is one of the most valuable resources you have. And today, everyone wants it. Social media platforms want it, streaming platforms want it, content creators want it. Because attention can easily be turned into money. But the real question is this. Are you using your attention to build something, or are you giving it away for free? If you truly want financial freedom, the shift is simple. Spend less time consuming, spend more time creating. Instead of watching 10 videos about making money online, try one small project, write one piece of content, offer one simple service, create one product. Start small, start messy, but start. Because real learning happens when you actually try, when you fail, when you solve real problems. That is when knowledge becomes skill, and skill eventually becomes income. Conclusion. The world does not reward the person who knows the most. It rewards the person who acts. You don't need another course. You don't need another motivational video. You don't need perfect knowledge. What you need is momentum. Take one idea, start today. Make mistakes, improve as you go. Because the biggest difference between people who stay stuck and people who achieve financial freedom is simple. One group keeps learning, the other group starts earning. If this video helped you see things differently, share it with someone who has been stuck in the learning phase for too long. And remember, Knowledge can change your mind, but action can change your life.